In this video, I would like to share about the technique and tutorial how to make a door with the overlapped window glass. First of all, you have to make a basic frame with a line, and you can set the height around 2500 millimeter, and then you can set the width of the door, or maybe you can use a rectangle for more. You can use any rectangle for more helping you. Then you can set this with a guideline. You can set the height around 2500 millimeter, and then you can set the width of the door around 1100 millimeter, right? And so you can see, and after that you can make a line in this following guideline, and then you can and after that you can delete some unnecessary object. You can erase, so it will not disturb your work. And you can offset it inside around 50 millimeter. That's 50 millimeter, and then you can just select the line to complete it. So you will get a basic shape of the frame of the door, and then you have to push it to the back around 120 millimeter, and then you have to make it group. And after that you can draw the rectangle for the door lift. Then you have to push it to the front around 20 millimeter, right? And then you can make it group. And after that you can make some range of rectangle by using rectangle. You can select this, and then you can press move and just press Control. Then you can set the end of position, and then you can type on your keyboard by 8/ and just press enter, so you can get nice arrangement and automatic arrangement of the rectangle. So you have to push it back anyway. You have to push it back, something like this. So it would make another decoration of the door. And after that you have to make an overlap window glass in this door by using a rectangle anyway. By using a rectangle, something like this, and then you can select this rectangle, and then you can select a move and press Control, and then you can move it down. Sorry, you can move it down until it will be overlap window glass, something like this. So you can see about the basic shape. Then you can push it to the back until it's clear and become an opening. Okay, and then and you have already finished for making a basic on one side door, and then you can make it component and just create it. Then you can you can make material. You can assign a material with a synthetic surface, and then you can select a Formica laminated light. Then you can select this, and for the frame you can select the you can select the wood veneer. Then you can assign it, so you will see the door anyway. Then you can make a door handle anyway. You can make a door handle in this door. Maybe you can use a rectangle, or if you feel it's too narrow, you can move it a little bit on the left side. Just select this rectangle and just select move, and select and move it a little bit on the left side anyway. Then so you can see what a difference. Okay, then you can select the rectangle to make a door handle, something like this. Then you can push it to the front, and you can offset it this side anyway. You can offset this side, Okay, and you can push it to the back. Okay, then you can make it group, and then you can assign metal material, right? And then you can make it group and just flip it along by moving this object for the first, and then you can flip it along with a green axis. So, and then you can uh, move it to the better position, to the appropriate position, right? So it will be one object of the window. Don't forget to make it a group, and so you can make a overlap window glass in here, in this position, and you can push it down, push it to the front, and so you can make it a group, and you can just select glass and mirror material. You can select this material, and you can duplicate it to the another position. Okay, something like this. So, and then you can make it group to be one object, and just position it on the correct position of the door anyway. Okay, and this is a tutorial of making a door with overlap window glass. I hope all of you got a lot of advantage and benefit, and wait for my next video. Thank you.